Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make donuts using all-purpose flour. Start by gathering your essential ingredients for delicious homemade donuts. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of lukewarm milk, 2 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter, 1 1/2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and a pinch of salt. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable baking process, helping achieve the perfect dough consistency. Now, let's prepare our dough. First, activate your yeast by dissolving 1 1/2 teaspoons in 1/2 cup of lukewarm milk with a teaspoon of sugar. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until foamy. Then, combine 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, the remaining sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 large egg, and the yeast mixture in a large bowl. Knead this dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic, indicating proper gluten development. After kneading, it's time for the first proof. Place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours, or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough and roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/2 inch thickness. Use a 3-inch round cutter for the donuts and a smaller 1-inch cutter for the holes. The final step is frying and finishing your delicious donuts. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, frying them for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Remove them with a slotted spoon and drain on a wire rack. Once slightly cooled, they are ready for your favorite glaze or a simple dusting of powdered sugar.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.